Hi, I'm Nigel. Welcome to Cook Nigel. Today I'm going to be teaching you a certified, some might even say bonafide, Nigel classic. Applesauce pie. Now I invented applesauce pie when I was only like 5 years old. So it's a pretty simple recipe. There's only 2 ingredients. You can find them here in the fridge and freezer. Obviously you got applesauce. That's a pretty important part of applesauce pie. And then you got applesauce. That's a pretty important part of applesauce pie. And then you got ice cream. And those are the 2 ingredients that you need to make applesauce pie. So the next thing you're going to want to grab is a bowl. Okay, so we've got everything together here. You can put in the ice cream first or the ice cream first. It really doesn't make a difference. It's just kind of whatever you're feeling like that day. And today I'm feeling like let's do the ice cream first. How does that sound? You okay with that? Is that cool? I better be, because I'm grabbing the spoon here. That looks like a good amount of ice cream, I would say. Now it's time for a guest appearance from our guest chef, Broccoli. Broccoli, what do you think of the meal so far? Incredible. Thanks for your help. Okay, so now that you've got the ice cream in the bowl, you're gonna want to grab the applesauce. Open that bad boy up, and then just pour it in there until you feel satisfied with the amount of applesauce you've got in there. Pretty much just want to fill it up until you don't see the ice cream anymore. I think this is a good amount, so now what you do is you just start stirring it together until you get a nice consistency. Yeah, so here we have it, applesauce pie. If you want to spice it up, you can always add some stuff to it. I think M&Ms are always a good addition. But this is the base recipe. You can experiment with it as you wish. Bon appetit!